Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to stop Google News notification using the Google News application on your Android device. If you are tired of constant alerts from Google News, this quick tutorial will help you manage and turn them off easily. First of all, launch the Google News app on your Android device, and then once you are logged into the home page, click on the profile picture at the top right corner. Now in the pop-up, click on News Settings. Under News Settings, click on Notifications option at the top. Now, in order to turn off notification, you'll need to toggle off the button right next to Get Notifications at the top, and this will turn on all the notifications you may receive from the app. If you want to turn on the notification again, you'll need to simply tap on the toggle button right next to Get Notifications, and then you can filter which notifications you want to turn from the sub-menu at the bottom. So that's how you can easily stop notifications from your Google News application on your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.